Set now, ready for dispatch. The instant Asia Stakes race, and away they go. My Promise, James Quick out of the gate. Ryan the Dance, Take Me Tonight, running by the wheel. Bianca's Fantasy, 3 lengths back. Super Legera, while Royal Biba is running in a tail of the field. Out of straight, they travel. It's Bianca's Fantasy, My Promise, Ryan the Dance on the outside. And out of straight, they travel. Bianca's Fantasy takes up the running by half a length, followed by Ryan the Dance. My Promise in the middle portion, 3 lengths back to Super Legera. Around the outside, Take Me Tonight. Down the half mile they travel, Run the Dance, Bianca's Fantasy, My Promise once again. It's now My Promise regains the lead by length, followed by Run the Dance. Then moving up is Bianca's Fantasy, Take Me Tonight, Super Legger on the outside. Inside the last 600, My Promise, Run the Dance, and Take Me Tonight, a long shot on the outside. And here comes threatening danger from Royal Biba from the outside as they swing for home. My Promise. And around the outside now, Take Me Tonight, Royal Biba. But still My Promise, Royal Biba on the outside. My Promise still in the back. And finally, My Promise, Royal Biba, Take Me Tonight, Bianca's Fantasy, Super Legera, and Run the Dance.